Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Shruti. As you can probably tell from the title of this video, today I'm going to be doing a Bath and Body Works haul. It's been months since I've done like a haul video. This was actually my first time ordering stuff online, obviously after a really long time. So I thought, why not do a haul? I haven't even opened any of these stuff. Like I just did the unboxing of the products, but I've literally not even smelled any of these. I've gotten my water and let's just get into the video. If you've been watching me for quite some time now, you might know this thing about me that I never really like to shop online. I prefer buying stuff directly from the store, especially when it comes to like fragrance stuff. It doesn't make sense buying stuff without even like smelling it. This is going to be my first time doing it and I don't know how it will turn out. What should I begin with? I think I'm going to begin with body creams. First thing that I got was this 24-hour Moisture Ultra Sheer Body Cream. It's called 1000 Wishes. It's one of their most popular fragrances. I think Bath and Body Works opened in India about 2 or 3 years ago, but ever since then I never really was able to get my hands on this. This was supposed to be their original packaging and you know I was so obsessed with this packaging. I really wanted to get it, but I don't know why for some reason they don't sell it in that packaging anymore. I think they keep changing their packaging every now and then. So yeah, I'm gonna see how it smells like. Oh my god, it's so good, you guys. It's super subtle. If you know me, you know I hate like floral and fruity fragrances. I can't even explain my taste properly. It's super fresh. It says it has peonies. It's so good, you guys. Definitely tell what all the fuss is about. Blindly bought this without even trying it, but it is so good, you guys. You definitely should try this. So the second body cream that I got was Magic in the Air. This is the body cream. I already have the body lotion version of this thing. This is like my absolute favorite fragrance that they have from the entire collection. Smells the same. Of course, like it wouldn't smell any different. Yeah, it's the same. Now they've changed the packaging and this is what the new packaging looks like. But yeah, it smells the same. I never thought that I would like any fragrance better than Magic in the Air, but I think we clearly have a winner. I think I like 1000 Wishes more than I like Magic in the Air. Next up, I got 1000 Wishes shower gel. Actually got the travel size because I wanted to try it out first. It smells the same, of course, like you know the fragrance is the same, it's just that it's in the shower gel form. Okay, so next up, again you guys are definitely going to think I'm crazy in the head. Up next we have 1000 Wishes body mist. I know I've gotten almost all the products from 1000 Wishes collection except for I think the body lotion, but yeah, we got the body cream. Now this is my very first time buying their body mist. I think it's gonna be good. Oh my god. It smells the same. Of course, it's not going to smell any different. I don't know if it's long lasting or not because I've never really tried body mist. I've never really been a body mist person actually. I've never bought body mist. Not just from Bath and Body Works. In general, I've never bought body mist. I just use perfumes all the time. I actually needed something to wear on a daily basis. Like of course, I do use my perfumes whenever I'm going out. But I also needed like a subtle fragrance, you know, which I can wear here and there. Now that we're not even leaving the house, but I still like to wear perfumes. I do wear perfumes in my house also. I'll give you guys an update like on how I'm liking it in my vlog. I got another warm vanilla sugar fragrance mist. I remember trying this. I love the packaging of it. It's good. It smells like vanilla. When I don't know what to buy, I usually reach out to anything that smells like vanilla. I either like subtle and like you know smooth fragrance, or it's going to be like dark, super strong fragrance. Like I'm not in between. I think all of these fragrances, after they sit on you for a while, it starts smelling even better. All my body parts are smelling differently. I'm just confused what is what. There's not one thing that I've not liked so far. I think I've done good. Okay, so moving on. Now we have hand creams. The first one that I got is in the Stars. I love the packaging. I don't know where to try this. How dumb of me. It's so good. What does it have? This is so good. Like I wouldn't mind my hands smelling like this throughout the day. I'm actually quite impressed. I think next time I'm definitely going to order like a body mist or something like that in this fragrance because it's really good. But yeah, moving on. Next up we have this hand cream. It's called Vanilla Buttercream. I straight up went for vanilla because I couldn't find anything else that was more interesting, and now I'm not able to open this. Because there's lotion on my hands. What do you guys do after you have lotion on your hands? There's this weird thing about me. I apply lotion on my body and then I go and wash my hands. How stupid is that? I don't know what am I going to do when I start wearing hand creams. I don't use hand creams as much. This smells like vanilla ice cream. Like, it's literally vanilla ice cream on your hand. When you have that smoked ice cream kind of thing, it just smells like vanilla. Out of these two, this one is my favorite. I won't lie to you. Honestly, got this for the packaging, and I wonder why I did not ever buy this when I went to the store. And you're going to love this if you have a similar fragrance taste to mine. Ever since they started delivering, every other day they have these amazing offers wherein you have like buy 2 get 1 free, and then sometimes they even have all of their products for like $7.99, $8.99. Every day it keeps changing, so I don't know what offers they currently have on their website. Comment down below and let me know what you guys' favorite Bath & Body Works fragrance is. Maybe the next time I go to the store I might try that. Okay, so yeah, those were all the things that I got from Bath & Body Works. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that already. Also, don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that way you get notified every single time I upload a new video. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys soon.